Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna give you a short demo of Booking.vet, which is a scheduling software for veterinarians. So we have two parts of the software. One is our B2C side, which is actually a directory. We help through this directory. We help pet parents find veterinarians nearby, meeting their needs, and schedule appointment 24/7. So, for example, if I'm a pet owner looking for a vet nearby, I can just go on the website, click here, like make a local search here, like here, Miami, Florida, and then there is a list of vets coming up nearby. So here we can see the list of the vets who subscribe to our software and who are using our scheduling software coming up first. And then we have just a random list of vets nearby coming up just with the name and the telephone number. So if I am a pet owner, I can get some information very easily about the practice and about the vet and see the next available time slots. For example, here I clicked and I go to the clinics page. I can see which vet is offering a consultation in the next few days and when is the next available time slot. And then I can just choose my vet and book an appointment very easily. That's it. And then actually it's real-time booking, so whenever it's connected to the practice management software, the client is gonna get a confirmation right away. If it's not connected to the practice management software calendar, the clinic is gonna get an appointment request and the pet owner will have to wait for the confirmation from the clinic. Now let me show you our software for vets. Actually, what's really interesting is that the software is fully scalable to any local business. So it's actually a full scheduling solution that could be used not only for vets but for any local business. Uh, and we have an API that can integrate either with Google Calendar or with general management softwares. Can be for uh, restaurants, doctors, um, hairdressers, anything. But for now, we just decided to target vets. So let me show you how it looks on the B2B side. Okay, so this is a hospital back office. Once they log in, they can get some data about the number of appointments they got, the number of returning clients. So this is a test account, so there aren't many bookings yet. They can check up the daily evolution of booking. They can have information about the favorite time slots for scheduling for their clients, and they can also get data about what kind of consultations their clients booked and for what type of animal. Finally, there is also a tracking tool helping clinics understand where the appointment comes from, so they can it can drive better their marketing decision. For example, pet owners can know whether the appointment comes from the website, from organic search on Google, from our directory, or from their social media. Because actually, we have a widget they can put, clinics can put on their website that I'm gonna show you right now. It's something that looks like that, and this can be implemented on the practice website, as well as this, which is a scheduling widget that stays on the corner of the practice. And pet owners, whenever they just surf on the clinic's website, they can book an appointment anytime. So as I showed you before, there are several ways to book used by clients to book appointment with the practice. One is the directory, so looking for a vet nearby on the directory, and the other one is by implementing this widget on the clinic's website. Now let's go back to the features, the main features of our software. So the practice can put some information about how they operate, the opening hours, and they can also add as many vets as they want to offer online scheduling. So for example, here a doctor can decide which time slots they want to open for online scheduling. They can set up specific consultations for specific time slots. So for example, here they added just 3 types of consultation, but they could add more. They can define specific time slots for specific consultations, and they can also send specific reminders according to the consultation type. So in order to the consultation type, the instruction that's gonna be sent to the pet owner is gonna be different. Then of course there are some complementary features such as being able to choose a holiday if the doctor is not present. And what's interesting is that once the appointment is booked, we also send a survey after the appointment to the client, and we ask them to leave a feedback. If the client gives a positive feedback, meaning more than 4 stars, we ask them to share the feedback on the practice Google My Business page. So it is a way also for the practice to increase Google My Business ratings. Yes, so there are many more features I could go through, but those are the main ones. And thank you so much for your attention. Hope to show you more when we meet each other. Thank you so much. Bye bye.